Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Evelyn Gita Bangkora. I am 33 years old. My height is 152 centimeter and my weight is 60 kilogram. I don't have any long-term medication in maintenance. I do not have any history of illness or disease. I do not have any tattoo. I am married and 3 children. I am high school graduate. I have test the NC2 domestic work training. I do not have work experience as a domestic helper in Hong Kong. I have work experience here in the Philippines from 2018 and 2021. I serve 4 family members. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, ironing, doing the laundry, and cleaning the house. I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. I am willing to take care baby and children. I I hope mom and sir you will hire me. I promise make my work hard and do all the tasks and responsibilities of domestic helper. Thank you.